Today, we're going to add a photo snap transition to your video. This transition mimics the effect of a camera taking a picture, creating a cool snap between two clips. Let's get started. First, make sure you have at least two clips on your timeline. Next, tap the white square icon between the clips to open the transition menu. Once you're in the menu, head over to the film section. Here you'll find the last three transitions, and these will give you the photo snap transition effect. Choose the one that gives you that snapping photo effect. Adjust the duration slider to control how fast or slow you want the snap transition to happen. A quick duration will give you a fast snap, while a longer duration gives it a more drawn out effect. You can also use the volume slider to control the sound. If you want to keep the camera snapping sound, leave the volume as it is, but if you want to remove the sound completely, just drag it to the left. Once you're happy with the settings, tap the check mark to apply the transition, and you're done. You've added a photo snap transition to your video, perfect for adding a fun and stylish camera effect. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more InShot tips and tricks.